So after weeks of procrastination and preparation, I'm actually about to go and start the appliquing. So it looks like the glue is held around the area that I have lightly stuck it down. The rest of it's just gone chaotic, but I think I've got enough pins to essentially hold it in place. I'm matching roughly the thread colour for the applique with the fabric colour, but of course where it just changes, there's little changes, so I'm just going to choose one colour overall. The stitch I'm going to use, I can't ever remember the name of it. I'll have to look it up and put it on the screen. When your sewing room is also the kitchen. I rescued it from the kitchen smells, so I'm going to carry on now. I'm literally wincing every time I turn this round. The glue is holding, though. It's doing quite a good job. I think that was quite a good solution, but we'll reevaluate at the end. Let's not get carried away. What does tend to happen is because it's got the lump from the tails folded over, I find it stops my the tracks underneath from pulling it through evenly, so that is something that you need to keep an eye on. And done. Well, just around this first bit, not the whole thing. Let's not get carried away. It's probably going to be several months' time at this rate. Let's go and see what it looks like. This bit here isn't the best. On the whole, a little bit there on that corner that's sticking out. This is a little bit more rounded than I wanted, but actually it still looks very neat. Yeah. We're off to a place called Mutley Plain, and we're going to go look around some charity shops. I think in the US you call them thrift stores. Is that right? You have to let me know. This Mutley Plain, essentially just a long street, pretty poor for shopping, but fantastic if you want a barber's or charity shop. That was lovely. It's raining. Wow, that that was refreshing.
We cannot sing due to copyright purposes.
Oh. Lovingly made by my son. Actually working together, which is a miracle. I'm feeling sorry for myself, not only because this is the third time I've recorded this because I kept having it on photo, but I've got a cold and I'm not quite with it, and my brain is like, well, apparently so, because this is the third time I've tried to record this. I've even put on, look, my spring cozy top with dancing avocados to try and cheer me up, which isn't really working. But what is working is I've almost finished the one side of my border, so I may get that done today, but if not, pretty soon. So if I can manage to not snort and sniff and sneeze too much, I'm gonna carry on with that. Sort of poppy up one. Woo! Yay! Oh, that's good. Oh, nice, a nice shading. Looks like water or something. Ah. We're going for some fish and chips. Yum! Unlimited chips.
Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mummy. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Go!